In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Forms survey in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will show you everything you need to know to make a survey that's both professional and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. Hit Enter and click on the official Microsoft Forms link. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, take a moment to create it. Signing in is essential because it ensures all your surveys are saved to your account for easy access later. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new form. You'll see a New Form button, which allows you to start from scratch. Alternatively, if you're looking for ideas or quick setups, explore the template gallery to find a design that suits your needs. After choosing your starting point, you'll want to personalize it. Click on the title section to edit it, and, if needed, you can add a brief description to give your respondents a sense of what the survey is about. Providing context can significantly improve the quality of the responses you receive. Now comes the fun part: adding your questions. With each new question, you hit Add New. If you've chosen a template, take a moment to review the preset questions to ensure they align with your objectives. Adjust or remove any that don't fit what you're aiming to achieve with your survey. If additional questions are necessary, add them by selecting Add New again. Microsoft Forms offers a variety of question types, such as choice, text, rating, date, ranking, and even Likert scales. Picking the right format for each question will help you gather the most useful data. After choosing the type, customize each question to make sure it precisely captures the information you're looking for. Be clear and concise with your wording, and for multiple choice questions, don't forget to enter all necessary options. Next, let's give your form a visual appeal. Look for the Style option, located above the form editor. Here you can select a color scheme or an image that reflects the tone of your survey. Whether it's corporate or casual, a good look can make your survey stand out and be more engaging. Before you finalize, click Present to preview how your form will appear to respondents. This step is crucial, as it'll show you the layout on both computer and mobile devices, ensuring everything looks as you intended. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, hit the Share button. This will allow you to generate a link or QR code to distribute your form to your audience easily. And there you have it. A perfect Microsoft Forms survey, all set up in just a few minutes. Happy surveying!